today I will tell you the solutions. Solutions also have the somewhat colloidal, colloidal, and the second is suspension. Suspension. And third type we will discuss here. It's called the true solution. True solution in the sense, the real solution we'll talk about. Okay. Solutions have the two more, colloidal and suspension. As I discussed on the last day, where you are being taught the solution and the terms, these terms in chemistry. Is that clear? You just have to know means exactly how the solutions is made here. Solutions is actually made by mixing solute plus solvent. Solute plus solvent. The solute is of, solute means the less in concentration, less concentration, oh sorry, less amount. It's called dispersed material, or this is called dispersed medium. Is that clear? This is the dispersed medium, means what is dissolving, okay, and what is being dissolved is the dispersed solid, dispersed substance, dispersed and dispersed medium. Is that clear? Less amount, dispersed medium is there. Okay, so colloidal and suspension. So the complete, in both the cases solute is dissolved in solvent. Solute is dissolved in solvent. Then what the difference are there too? Means the solution, what the colloidal and what is the suspension. Another suspension is made. It is actually on the basis of the size of particle. If the size of solute is of specified, like that 10 to the power 8, 1 nanometer size, 100 nanometer size, 50 nanometer size, it depends on the size of the solute.
And if it will be
exactly, on the basis of the size of solute we have classified the mixture solution in the different categories, right now suspension, colloidal and true solutions also we'll discuss. Okay, so what colloidal, what is a colloidal and what is a suspension? So first I will tell you suspension, because it's very easy to understand the suspension. Have you seen muddy water solution?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Muddy water, if you will collect muddy water, rainwater, from the outside door and you will put into the tumbler, is that clear? In the transparent tumbler, if you will put them in, you will find that the small particles will get set on the bottom of tumbler and a clear solution will appear here.
Yes.
Clear solution will appear. Okay, these are the this typical will happen right now. So these are what we can say depositions is there, and here is transparent solution. Translucent we can speak here. Translucent. Clear? So what the suspension is? It means when the suspensions are allowed in rest, at rest, then the solute particle gets set on the bottom. This is a suspension. So obviously the particle will be large in size or small in size? Large in size. But this not happens in case of colloidal. Particles are very lighter. Particles are very lighter, right now, that easily under the gravity they can set on the bottom of container. Example, the dirt particle get mixed into the water, the soil in water, and the water when allowed to rest. When the water is allowed to rest, water is kept for a long time undisturbedly, then soil particles get set on the bottom of the container. So this typical solutions is called suspension. This is suspension. And also suspensions means particle are actually this, means when the solid intake is done here. So the main purpose is why the student being taught suspension. If a student will study the suspension, then will the water will get not mixed into the water, or the rain will not happen, and the rain will more happen. Obviously the purpose of learning we just have to know. I think you will have study, read a notice, note label here, use before, check well before use. This typical suggestion, check well before use.
Seen that on medicines.
Where you have seen this word, check well before use?
In medicine syrup.
In medicine syrup. any syrup, any typical syrup, or cough and cold and fever, any typical syrup, there is some certain suspension. So why the suspension is written is there? Suspension means a typical solution is there. It means we can speak here, and especially suspension is found in the case of, in case of children's drugs, children's medicines. Children's medicines actually comes in form of suspension. So why this is? Because the children cannot swallow a piece of tablet, we can speak here. They can just have the choking problem, they can have the means any problem could be there is easily they cannot take the drugs or medicine right now. So medicines are found in the suspension liquid form, so easily liquid can go inside them. Is that clear? So what the suspension is, this is one applications of the suspension. The second thing, suspension actually is the way by for the motion of the solid particle from one place to another. So obviously particles are made fine, and easily they can take the action also. Means easily if this is in the liquid state, this is in the liquid state suppose, and easily it can be absorbed in the digestive system. Is that clear? It is another thing. But the main purpose is to make the suspension. What is the suspension? So please have writing the suspension. Well understood is suspension. This is first is heterogeneous, it's not homogeneous. Why? Because under gravity the particle, solid particle gets set on the bottom. Is that clear? A heterogeneous mixture, heterogeneous heterogeneous mixture, a heterogeneous mixture in which solid particles, in which solid particles, what does the solid particles do? Solid particles are suspended, not dissolved, are suspended not dissolved, means they are hanged, okay, in the liquid state. They just not get mixed into the, they are not set, get set, they just not are set between the intermolecular space of the solvent. Is that clear? They freely suspending, and when under the gravity they get set down to the bottom of the tube. So first is there the size concerning is there. So heterogeneous mixture in which solid particles are suspended, not dissolved. Suspended, not dissolved. Remain suspended. Is that clear? And you can see with the visible eye, and can be seen, with naked eye. Can be seen with the naked eyes. This is the definition of suspension. Is that clear?
Yes.
Example, muddy water. Muddy water. Next is chalk powder in water. Chalk powder in water. And next, what is that? Medicine, drugs,
Children's drugs.
syrup, drug syrup we can say, okay? Medicinal syrup, medicinal syrup, etc. And more examples are there also. And this also, actually the medicinal syrup purpose is to transport the drug, medicine, to carry the medicine from the mouth to the digestive system easily by process of swallowing. Okay, swallowing, because swallowing is easily can be done by the children. Okay, they cannot take the solid into. And in the dust storm also I have seen dust storm. When the storms comes, means rushly wind blows, and this wind carrying the dust particles. A lot of dust particles are there, fogs, mist, and the dirt are there. A lot of big particles are just flying into the air, right? So this is called that. And what is the use of suspension? You just have to know why you are being taught the. So it's we can speak here. Just you write down the use of suspension. Why the suspensions are used actually. Example: partially soluble barium sulfate uses. Application we can say here. Application. Okay. One application is partially soluble barium sulfate. Partially soluble means when you will make
We have to write
dissolve the water in barium sulfate. Yeah, barium sulfate BaSO4.
partial.
BaSO4. When you will dissolve barium sulfate into water, not a clear solution you will obtain. A faint solution you will obtain. The barium sulfate can be partially dissolved, but remaining barium sulfate can suspend in there. So what is the use of that? So it actually used to provide the opaque medium,
Partial.
right?
What you said? Partially.
Partially, please I write you. Partially soluble barium sulfate. Partially soluble barium sulfate. Partially soluble barium sulfate is dispersed in water. Is dispersed in water. Dispersed and dispersed medium. The dispersed is here BaSO4 and dispersed medium is water. This is called dispersed. It's a dispersed, and this is called dispersed. Dispersed what?
Medium.
Medium. It's called dispersed and dispersed medium. Partially soluble barium sulfate dispersed in water. Form an opaque medium. 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 Opaque medium is used for the diagnostic X-ray. Is used for the diagnostic X-ray. Is used for the
Diagnostic X-ray
means diagnostic X-ray means where the X-ray is done. X-ray technique is to locate the fractured bone. So in that the solution is used for that here. Means actually they get the speed of the radiations is made slow here. Is that clear? Because the particle can strike the X-ray, can make the slow speed of that. So what next is aluminium paint. Paint also you have seen paints. The suspension is also written on the paint, which is applied on the wall for the painting purpose. This is also a form of solution. It's called suspension, right? So you may write down also. So aluminium paint is suspension of aluminium particle in varnish. Aluminium paint means the suspension technology is also used for preparation of the paint.
So whenever we open a paint, that
There is written as means yeah.
yes,
Means it means there is solid is below of that and liquid is above. We just need to shake it. Shaker machine is to the shopkeepers having. They just give a
like a
roughly shape. Yes, means rapidly shaking they provide the paint and the paint solid particle get mixed into the water. The liquid dispersed medium. Okay, aluminium paint is as a suspension of aluminium particles. Not only aluminium particles, any particle can be, right? The paint particles are suspended in the dispersed medium. So we can apply them on the wall. The liquid will get dried and these particles get stick on the wall. Is that clear? Aluminium paint is a suspension of aluminium particles in the varnish and used as a silver paint. Varnish is used as a silver paint. Is that clear? Well understood you about the suspension, and different properties of suspension can also be there. What could be the different property of suspension? The first property, and do you know what is the size of particle here? The matter is here solute. So the size of particle is greater than 1000 nanometer. Okay. Size of particle here you can write here. Size of solute particle. solute particle, size of solute particle more than 1000 nanometer, more than 1000 nanometer means bigger than the nanometer the particle size. This is called the suspension. So main technical word just you have to remember about the suspension is this, mean the size of particles, solute particles more than 1000 nanometer. Is that clear? This is important line about. So this could be a property or characteristics of suspension. And light cannot easily pass through the suspension. This is also the property. Nanometer. More than 1000 nanometer. Is that clear? Now next is suspension is opaque. When the light will pass through the suspension mixture, it means the solution of suspension like solution. Okay, then light cannot easily pass through that. In opaque it will, means the path of light will be checked. So this could be the second property of that opaque medium. Okay, and particle easily you can see with your naked eyes. If you see by flashing a torch with, okay, then you will see the particles are randomly moving in that. But in everywhere notice it should be the proper facility of the light is to be there, light is to be available there, then you can see by flashing them the particles. Is that clear? So this could be the property of suspension. Finally you will understood the suspension. Yes. Means these all are the mixture, these all are the typical solution. Jelly, you sometimes use jelly by slicing this on the bread. Jelly, jam, is that paste, gel by applying on the teeth. Is that clear? Gel is also found in the market. What is the gel here actually? These all are mixture. Solid mixture, solid liquid mixture, solid liquid. This is means it depends on the dispersed medium. So the last, after studying the suspension and colloidal, I will tell you the last solid liquid, different types of example I will give you. Is that clear? Have the next colloidal. What is the colloidal? Colloidal solution. Colloidal solution is called colloidal. Yes. Okay. Colloidal solutions is decrease or increase. Please. Okay. Please write colloidal. What is colloidal? What is colloidal? Please go and write colloidal. The size concerning. Is that clear? The size of solute, the size of the dispersed, the size of solute, this is also size of solute between 1 to 1000. Okay, size of solute particles is between 1 to 1000 nanometer. This is actually the important line is there. Okay? And what about the colloidal?
It is homogeneous.
Please have write. No, it's not homogeneous. This is also heterogeneous.
This is not.
Yeah. However, this appears homogeneous, but it's a heterogeneous. The question comes in exam this. Right now? Please write here. Solute particles are 10 to 1000 times bigger than the size of single small molecules. It's called colloid. Okay, the size of particles is 10 to 1000 times smaller than the size in suspension.
Can you repeat?
The size of colloid and the size of solute particles, the size of solid particles is this, and this size is, means this size is 1 to 1000 times than the size of suspension. So they are smaller in, so they are actually word called colloid, easily floating in the liquid medium, easily floating in the dispersed medium. Okay, so the word colloid is used for them, and hence the solution is said to be colloidal solution. is a typical solution is colloidal. This is the complete concerning of the size of solute. Okay, the matter is size of solute. Okay, the dispersed medium. So in which medium, please have write it, the medium in which colloidal particles are dispersed, the medium in which colloidal particles are dispersed. Dispersed means spread all around in the medium, is called the dispersed, right? Dispersed colloidal particles are dispersed in the medium is called dispersion medium. It's called dispersion medium. Example, milk is a colloidal. Your blood is colloidal.
Colloidal particles are dispersed.
In colloidal particles are dispersed in dispersed in colloidal particles are dispersed in dispersion medium. Dispersion medium. Dispersion medium. Example, milk is a colloidal solution. Means cream suspended in water. Suspended word we will not use, because when you will use suspended word, it will be suspension. The complete wrong essence of meaning will here come. Okay, so colloidal. Example of colloidal solutions: milk. Blood is also. So water, milk. What is the dispersion medium in milk? Water is dispersion medium, and cream particles are colloidal. Colloids. Okay, colloids are the cream particles, and water is the dispersion medium, and the mixture is said to be colloidal. The milk is colloidal. Blood is colloidal. Yeah, blood is colloidal. Some more colloidal solution you can say. A great example of colloidal solution. Have you seen the beam of light coming from a narrow opening?
Sunlight.
Narrow opening, and the dirt particles randomly appears to move in this. This makes the appearance the path of light where the light is going from. Actually, the particle comes in the path of light, and the sparkles they get the sign. They get the sign, and shining actually gave the indication where the light going. Is that it? This effect is called the Tyndall effect. This is called Tyndall effect, and the Tyndall effect is usually seen in the light coming from the narrow opening. This is also found in the jungle, where the jungle is very dark right now. So the narrow opening, the light comes from the from between the gaps of the branches. Right now, light could reach to the different narrow beams are there. Okay, and the particles is randomly moving, the dirt particles. So this is a Tyndall effect. This is called Tyndall. Means appearance of the path. Appearance of the path of light is due to the particles, dispersed particle in the medium. Okay, that's called the Tyndall effect. We'll discuss that. Means Tyndall effect is that means particle does not get set. It's just generally in the random motion. Is that clear? They're not getting set here. So Brownian, this is called the Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect is shown by a colloidal solution, not a suspension. Particles are not in the moving, and in suspension particles are not in the motion, but in the colloidal particles are in the motion state. They can move here and there. Right now, but in the suspension they are. Check will before you again come.
I don't understand colloidal properly.
Colloidal property.
I don't understand colloidal properly.
Colloidal. Colloidal actually the matter of size. When the particles of solutes are smaller than that the size of solute in the suspension, then it's called colloidal. Actually, the word colloidal means what? Something else when mixed into the liquid and not getting set and randomly moving inside the liquid. The word is said to be collide. The word is said to be collide. And hence this typical mixture or solution is said to be colloidal solution, in which the particle not get set and moving just as possessing the motion in the dispersed medium. Dispersed medium could be water, oil, any liquid can be there, any medium could be there. This is called colloidal. Now you got the colloidal here. What is called the size matter is there, and the motion of zigzag motion of the dispersed medium, zigzag motion of the solute particles in the colloidal solution is called Brownian motion. This is called Brownian motion. So question comes, write a short note on Brownian motion. Brownian motion and Tyndall effect. I told you two things here. What is the Tyndall effect? The zigzag motions of the colloidal particles in the colloidal solutions is called Tyndall effect. This effect is the narrow opening is established. I gave example of that. The narrow opening, the light comes from that, and the dirt particles are randomly appears in the motion in the path of light. Is that this is called Tyndall effect? Is that it? And the motion of the particles is said to be colloidal. No, Brownian motion. Brownian motion. Please I write you about the Brownian motion. You will just make a note about the Brownian
So
motion.
please you can also write about Tyndall.
Tyndall. Tyndall effect. Please write about the Tyndall effect. The beam of light when passed through a colloidal solution, the beam of light, a beam of light, not the beam, a beam of light. A beam of light when passed through a colloidal solution, placed in the dark place, placed in a dark, placed in the dark place.
Through a colloidal solution.
Yeah, when a beam of light is passed through a colloidal solution placed in the dark place, its path becomes clearly visible. It its path becomes clearly visible. Its path becomes clearly visible. Its path becomes clearly visible. Called Tyndall effect. Tyndall spelling Ty, Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect. And Brownian motion. Tyndall effect and Brownian motion. Brownian. Brown spelling An. Brownian. Brownian. Nian. So first is the Tyndall effect and the motion of zigzag motion of a. So you may write down in this. It's by definition of Brownian motion. The zigzag motions of the colloidal particles in the dispersed medium is called Brownian motion. The Brownian motion is this, is that they move from here to there, particles goes from here to there, and after that here it goes, and after that here they goes, here they goes, here, 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 here. This typical motion is called Brownian motion.
Can I repeat once again? The zigzag motion of
The zigzag motions of the colloidal particles in the dispersed medium, this is zigzag motion. The particles is reaching from A to B by this motions following. This is called the Brownian motion. Is that clear? Well understood your concept here? And copper, so you may see on the screen here this. There is a light, we have taken here a copper sulfate solution in that. Okay, and in that we'll take here colloidal solution. Colloidal solution will take it this. Okay, this is a colloidal solution. And we'll give a flash of torch here. Flash of torch. What will happen? This light is there. Okay. Do you know what is it? The appearance of the path of light. The light will appear. It's passing through this. But in the case of what? Suspension, the part will be completely invisible. The light cannot pass through the suspension. Is that clear? That's why For the colloidal, is that clear or not?
Yes.
Brownian moment, the constant random motion of the colloidal particles is Brownian motion. And the next is the true solution. What the solution is said to be true. And this is the most important question of the chapter. Write the 3 points, 4 point of differences between true solutions, true solutions, suspension, and colloidal. So what is a true solution? Obviously, the solutions the size of solute particles is less than the colloidal. Means the particle true solution means they get set in the space between the intermolecular space. This is a true solution. And the water means clear solution you will obtain here. The light easily can pass here. There no appearance and visibility of the light. Medium will appear like that nothing is present there. This light is called true solution. So if you dissolve salt in water, is obtained the true solution?
Yes.
This is the true solution. You dissolve sugar in water, it's called the true solution. Please just have write about the true solution.
Vinegar and water also.
Vinegar and water, liquids can be true solution. Okay. So please have write about true solution. The size of particle less than 1 nanometer. The size of particle is the concerning of size. Okay. The size of particle less than 1 nanometer. Less than 1 nanometer. Size of particle less than 1 nanometer. Less than 1 nanometer. Okay. The size of particles, solute particles in dispersed medium less than 1 nanometer. Okay, the solution is called true solution. This is called true solution or solution. So now a question is ready for you, that is write the 3 to 4 point of differences between true solution, suspension and colloidal. Is that here? This is important right here. So you just have to make here true solution first, and second is what here? Suspension. Suspension or colloidal, second colloidal. Colloidal, yes, colloidal. Colloidal, and next is what? Suspension. The 3 point of differences will write here. Okay. First, in the case of, you just go on writing this. So first is the size matter. The size of particle is less than 1 nanometer. The size of particle is more than nanometer, less than 1000 nanometer, and the size of particle is more than 1000 nanometer. Okay. The first concern is.
The order will be suspension, colloidal, and true solution.
Okay, and the difference points will be on the Brownian motion, Tyndall effect, size of. Is that the 3 differences you just have to. We'll show this the Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect will not be shown because the particle gets set into the intermolecular space, obviously. Is that clear? And colloidal, the particle will show Tyndall effect, Brownian motion. And in suspension, no. Almost particles are at the rest. They are suspended, obviously. And the third, Tyndall effect, water will show no. When the light is torch light is flashed, the light is flashed on the water in the solution. The light it appears clearly. Clear solution appears. Here the path of light appears, and here the light would not pass easily. Is that clear? So these are the point of differences you will remember. Okay. This is the most important question of the chapter. So what differences could be there? Is that clear? You will just remember them. Under the gravity, if the true solution will allow to rest, mean will keep this calmly. Calmly means undisturbedly, we will put this. After some times we will see the solution is as it is. No depositions on the bottom. And in the case of colloidal, the speed will not be affected. They will not get set the. But in case of suspension, the particle will get set on the bottom of the container. Right now? So the particles are unaffected, means under gravity not affected, is colloidal. You will keep the milk undisturbedly. Will the cream deposit on the bottom of that? Obviously no. Right now, so the particles are unaffected from the gravity. So this is the colloidal solution. So 4 point of differences will remember here. Clear or not? Okay. So next is there. So some colloidal solution we are just discussing. Colloidal is most means a bigger topic here is right. So some colloidal, blood is colloidal. Yeah, blood is colloidal. And milk, an example I give you. When you make soap solution, Is colloidal here. And where you make the detergent when dissolved in water is a colloidal solution. Egg albumin. Do you know egg albumin? Egg albumin. Don't you know? When you break an egg, two types thing comes out.
Yes, sir.
First is yellow yolk. This is called and the watery like sticky substances. This sticky watery substance is called albumin, the white part of the egg. Is that clear? So this is albumin. So albumin in water will make a colloidal solution. Starch in water will make a colloidal solution. Starch in water. Starch in water. Starch means potato is having is another thing. Potato having starch. But starch means it is found in the market. Also the clothes are treated with the starch, dipping in the water solutions. Right? This make the harden of the clothes, make the straight the cloth. It makes the straight the cloth. Okay. Now wrinkling and the shrinking of the clothes, the shrinkingness of the clothes is overcome by dipping them into the starch solution. Have you seen the Revive? It an ad just you have come in the market. Revive is a material and found in the market to make the saris tough and hard. This is that clear or not? Kalaf करना बोलते हैं ना. Have you listened this kalaf करना? Ayu Anushri.
Yes, sir.
Kalaf. Don't you know kalaf करना?
It's
What
like
not?
it makes clothes hard. That's why when we take the clothes from market, तो वो hard लगते हैं. फिर एक बार wash करके पहनते
Is that clear?
हैं. That's the
So we are just talking about some must solutions are there. You may see. Yeah, see on the study one please. Where is this? Yeah, you may see there. Some types of colloidals are here. Means when the solid is dispersed, means solid is disposed, solid is mixed into the gas. Ananya, solid mixed into the gas. I know this it's a boresome situation when the theory is taught here and getting sleep right now because it looks like a lorry. Right now, do you know why the children get sleep while they are listening?
Actually,
Hear the lorry.
I wake up from 3:30. That's why I'm getting tired.
Why you wake up 3:38?
Today I have to do violin practice. That's why.
What practice means this? Yeah?
Violin practice.
Violin.
Violin.
Oh, मोहब्बतें.
I love it.
Shahrukh Khan. Okay. Maybe special time 3:30.
Actually 4 o'clock means morning में बजाने में ना अलग ही मजा आता है. That's why I used to.
Means you listen your sound only, no other sound.
Yes. There
Okay.
is no horn of car.
Do you know when anybody just wants to listen himself? What does this mean? He love himself or the some? If he wants to what typical peoples are there when they want to listen themselves?
Actually, sir, music means you have to go.
Music means the other should not come into that.
You have to go inside yourself.
Means
go
your
to
ear's
the-
own rhythm, your own pattern, your own formulas to be go through. The other should not come in. This is the meaning of music.
No.
It means you start singing in the marketplace. You will not enjoy yourself.
No means अगर practice कर रहे हो तो you should have a focus and violin.
Can you define the term music? What is the music?
Music is undefined. I
Undefined.
can't define.
Music is that which is giving you pleasure to listen in listening. It can be music here, but sometimes it depends on you. Sometimes your parent feels that it's a means what we can say it's tough and it's giving the what we can say torturing the music here. Sometimes some people
having a different definition.
different definition means sometimes some things you are listening feeling pleasure in listening.
Like
Okay, but I could not.
English songs.
A lot of musics are playing here. This is means the things which is pleasure to listen. I am just feeling pleasure in listening. It's music, but it's not necessary that it will also give you pleasure right now. So music cannot be defined here. Like that nowadays the people playing music, it's noise. Sometimes my noise is your music. Sometimes your noise is my music. Is that clear? No? Funnily, what music I don't know. So solid, when the solid dissolve in air, solid dissolve in air. So you may see on the screen your study will also there.
Solid
So
is
yeah, it depends on the what type of medium you are just dissolving. So solid dissolve in air or gas. This is called aerosol. This is called aerosol. Aerosol, air and solid is called aerosol. Can you give example of aerosol?
Smoke.
Smoke is aerosol, right now. And in the stormy day, you will see the smoke outside. Dirt particle in air, aerosol. In the room, if you will not use, you will not clean this room for 5 to 6 days, you will say fine particles of dirt will deposit on that, right now, on the your chairs, on the desks, on the
on
writing pad,
mobile.
is that clear? Even in your computers, in your drawing rooms, on the tea table, you will see here this small particles are, it
So
means particles
what's the
continuously.
work of exhaust?
Yes.
Exhaust.
Exhaust.
Huh.
What exhaust?
What's the
Exhaust.
work of exhaust?
Exhaust is to
Like
throw the air
ventilation
out of the room. It's meaning the exhaust is means continuously throwing the air is to be circulated. For the circulation of air, the exhaust is used.
अगर यहाँ पे जैसे suffocation लग रहा है, so we should have a
Really, you are
ventilation.
feeling suffocation here? Suffocation you are feeling. That's why I have started that.
That's why I am asking.
Okay. This is
Because the ventilation is
ventilation is not here. Actually, the ducting is there. You are right saying. You are right saying.
because one ventilation should be improvement.
If I will keep here ventilation, then in every lecture you will listen what?
Sounds.
Le bhatale, alule, right now. Simple it is. You want to have this. Enjoy it, I will open the door. Open the window also. Exactly. So solid when dissolve in air is called aerosol.
Yes.
Examples. And when the solid dissolve in liquid is called
So
Soul.
sol. And when the solid sol dissolve in solid,
Solid soul.
solid sol. Means sol and then solute is solid and
Solid.
solvent is solid. Then solid. solid.
Solid.
It's solid sol.
Solid.
Finally soul. Soul, solid soul. Right now, next is liquid dissolve in solid. How this is?
Gel.
We have
Jelly.
listen that the solid dissolve in liquid or liquid dissolve in solid. How is this possible? Liquid dissolve in solid. This is called gel. This is called gel. The gel you use at home right now. Now gel is very famous to set the hair straight right now. Very like the fashion become old here. 1 2 years old in this was.
Yes.
Now next is liquid dissolve in liquid. This is called fusion. What? This is called emulsion. Emulsion.
Immersion. I have seen illusion.
Illusion emulsion. You would have listened in the paint technology.
Yeah,
Emulsion.
immersion.
It's applied on the wall.
Wall.
Emulsion means when liquid dissolve in liquid is called emulsion. Is the can you give example? Milk is an emulsion.
Face cream.
Milk is an emulsion. Means they are the different forms of colloidal. Right now, emulsion. Face cream is also emulsion. Right now, and liquid butter and hair cream is also emulsion. Liquid in liquid. Now next is sometimes you would have listened that this juice contains apple juice. Think it when you eat apple, how much juice can come out? Can you draw from the apple?
Just a drop.
Just a drop. And you just purchase from the market side rupees 50 rupees bottle is there of 50 ml, and so much amount of liquid of the liquid juice means apple juice is there. How it is possible? A few drop you can obtain from a single apple.
From a slice
So
of
think
apple.
think that
From a slice.
From a slice of apple.
from a
you can
slice
draw.
one apple can give you how much juice? In this much
Yes,
amount,
yes.
and you are purchasing this from the market side this much amount of the juice in rupees
It
50.
needs-
Yeah.
It needs up to
So what is
5
that? Actually,
or
few
4.
drops of, we can speak here, few amount of the apple juice is actually get mixed into that liquid. I am not saying what amount of the apple juice is there. It's apple juice. One drop can also be put in that. Is that clear? So what is that? Liquid in liquid. Emulsion. Liquid in gas. Fogs. Example cloud.
Aerosol.
This is called aerosol. Cloud is cloud are the liquids
Yes, sir.
and
Yes.
they dissolve into the air.
Air.
Is that clear?
Fog.
What next is gas in solid? Foam. Gas in solid.
Gas in
Foam.
solid
foam.
also foam and gas in liquid also foam.
Yes, solid particles are there. Soap, I'm talking about soap. Soap, when you apply on the body, it gives a foam. Means the air part, carbon dioxide particles is coming from that. It's making spongy. Why this is true? Easily they can rub on your skin and can give a rubbing. Rubbing means what? It will just remove the dirt by rubbing this. If you rub it, repeat, if you rub rustling on your skin, what will it can get hurt? It can races can come here. So it's very simple too. What will here? Applying the soap here. Soap will provide the surface between your rubbing surface and your skin. Is that clear? So the foam is made by soap. The main working of the soap is to make foam, right now. So foam is the gaseous solute in the solid dispersed medium. This is called what?
Foam.
Now next is gas in liquid,
Foam.
shaving cream. Gas in liquid, shaving cream. Sponge, fuming stone, cork. And last is gas in liquid, foam. Shaving cream is their example, right now. Shaving cream is the same here, gas in solid and gas in liquid. So different typical colloidal solutions are before you. You understood here what is the use of the colloidal here. That's why the colloidal is taught here. Sometimes you make a sip of the some typical foods, edible materials found in the market side. Is that clear? They give us taste here, and so it depends on their technique. What on by what technique they have prepared. What typical forms is available in the market. Is that clear? So colloidal is a typical mixture, we can say. Colloidal is a mixture. Is that clear? And the different forms are there. When solid dissolve in solid, means each form can be dissolved in the three other form. So how many types of solution could be there? 9 types. Solid can with itself. Three phases are there. Solid, liquid and gas. Solid can combine with itself, solid. But other two also. So how many form the three? One can three. Means one can come with the three ways. So three can come with the three ways. 9 ways. So there are the total 9 times of phases are there.
Here it
8. So one is absent here. I don't know where is this. It's not possible, I think that. Right guys, so your topic today we have discussed about the suspension, colloidal and true solution. This could be the most important topic of the chapter. Is that clear guys? Tomorrow we will discuss about, and you will please complete this assignment. Okay. Tomorrow we'll discuss about the separations of the components of the mixtures from the solutions. The different separations we'll use here. Is that clear? Your assignment of the day, see on your study material.
foam assignment first.
Yes, page 11. Page 11, NCERT textbook question. First 3 questions you will solve, please. First 3 questions you will solve.
Foam assignment.
Yeah, one second. And please will do kindly there.
First,
Yeah,
So start
and we'll practice the mathematics.